Hi there, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel? If not, click that little blue button right there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning, beautiful. How are you? I hope everybody's doing good today. I'm in the car because I'm going to go clean out that car. So Shade, I need to take Shade to pick a fence to help load my booth, but she's full of stuff. So I got to get that stuff in the garage, and I was going to do it tomorrow, but I heard it's supposed to rain all day and be cold. So it's today. So instead of working on the table, we're going to do that. We kind of got to shift priorities a little bit because I am not going to be standing out here in the pouring rain trying to get stuff into my garage. I got to get stuff out of the garage, get stuff into the garage. You know, it's the vintage seller shuffle. Let's do it. Honestly, it feels weird being in here. You know, she has gas in her. Ah, like a full tank. She don't want to pick it on Thursday. There's a lot more stuff I have to get in here. But at least I got all the bins out that were stored in here. I had put some bins in here when I was getting ready for Junk Bonanza, because I needed to get them out to get the rest of the Junk Bonanza. For some reason, the Junk Bonanza stuff always ends up crammed towards the front of the garage. And then the stuff on the end is daily stuff that I use all the time. So I have to get that stuff out to get the other stuff out. And it's just a nightmare. All right, I'm going to keep working. Sad, I feel like the world has just caught up with what I thought the world should be like 20 years ago. So I've always been in computers, and I'm an early adopter of anything. Like, I was an early adopter of the internet. I mean, I was doing all this stuff online before people even were like, what? I mean, seriously. I am the history of technology. I remember using 12-inch floppies. Looked like sliding a record in. Okay, anyway. And tapes. Yeah, tapes. Cassette tapes for home computer. Anyone? No? Okay. But like last night, I have a subscription to Apple News. So you get all these magazines with it, including Oprah, for $5 a month. So it's like Time. So these are all these magazines, like Real Simple, Oprah, Good Housekeeping, Time Magazine, Bloomberg, Men's Health. I read all these magazines. Like, usually there's an article or two every month that I want to read. I know. I can't help it. Things interest me, and I follow the dopamine, and I'm like, so magazines are like $10 a month. You know, these monthly magazines are $10. The weekly ones are like $10. So I finally subscribed, and then I realized they had an audio version. So I was working last night, and I'm listening to these articles, and I'm like, this is it. This is what I wanted 20 years ago. When I first got my first iPod Touch. Like, I had an iPod Touch, the very first one. And I had the old iPods. Like the one you had the scroll wheel on, and I would load audiobooks on there at the scroll wheel. Y'all, I had a pocket PC. Yeah. Yeah. I had a pocket PC. It's about that big. It looked like a Kindle. It was as big as a Kindle. The small Kindles. I have an old Kindle. I have the Barnes Noble one. Kobo? I don't remember. I have them all. I've always wanted technology to work for me. And now it's just starting to catch up. Like, I've got a self-cleaning litter box. Yeah. I want the vacuum. But I haven't got it yet. I feel like I wait till things like that are at the level I need them to be, like the self-cleaning litter box. I got the big round the litter robot. Oh, I love the litter robot. I didn't want the little scrapey thing. I got the litter robot, and it's just wonderful. My cats love it too. And yeah. But anyway, so I've got this on because I will be listening to articles again. There's all these articles. Vanity Fair their articles, to listen to them, are over an hour long, some of them. And I'm like, but they're good articles and I want to listen to them. And then it goes to the next one automatically, which is awesome. Between that and Audible, like, my brain stays engaged while I do this stuff. But anyway, we've got a couple things to do behind me. The table's up there. It's allergies, guys. Remember this? Last year at the All City sale, I picked this up on the side of the road. I want to make sure it works. It's been sitting in my garage. It's going in. I want to make sure it works. This is their light bulb. I don't even know if it's like burnt out or anything. Looks like it's broken, like the filament's broken. Yeah. The nice thing about my 600 watt lights is when I hold this up, I can see right through it. The filament's broken. So let's go get a bulb. And then I'm going to test that light out, see if it works. If not, I'm going to have to rewire it. This cabinet, remember I picked it up for $2? It's just dirty as all get out. I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm just going to clean it. So I was looking at it, and I've been trying to figure out how I was going to paint it or do it. And you know what? I like the old look on it. I like the way it looks now. So I'm not going to do a darn thing to it. I'm just going to clean it up and put it in the booth and see how it does. But, you know, I had a tick on me when I came in. Now all I can feel is things crawling on me. Like, I could feel it crawling up my shin. Usually they don't get too high on me because I can feel them. Like, I have super sensitive skin. I feel like my clothes are trying to kill me on any given day. So I can literally feel them crawling up my leg. And every time I get them off my leg, then my whole body starts going, they're everywhere. They're all over you. They're not, though. I checked. Okay, that's a halogen. If the bulbs burn out in my house, I'm kind of hosed because I think this is the last normal bulb I have. Other than that, I have chandelier bulbs and Edison bulbs. Where did it go? Where'd you go? There it is. Wow, it literally hid behind me. Let's get this thing tested. I can't imagine it not working. I think they just went, you know what? This is ugly. Let's get rid of it. But it's very 70s, and I'm in Lake Country. So I'm going to get a bunch of lake stuff. I have a boat shelf and things like that. I'm going to get all that stuff in there this month. And this is one of the things I want to get in there. Okay, let's get the webs off of it. I was like, I can't imagine that it wouldn't work, but it's got this little copper band on it. It's cute, right? It's ugly and cute. It's that ugly cute. For real. It was sitting by the garbage. at a guy's house. And I'm like, what's with the lamp? It's garbage. Can I have it? Yeah. I'm like, okay. Gonna go find a shade for it. Otherwise, this is going in the boo. It even came with its own finial. I mean, it's all good to go. It just needs a shade. I have shades, like a lot of them. I think I have a jute shade, like a brown burlap or jute shade out there that I think would look really cute with this. A nautical is kind of a thing because we're in lake country. I'm going to get some cleaning stuff to get this cleaned up, and I'm going to scrub that out. I'm not a fan of icky, dirty mess, so I do have these. I'm going to take advantage of them. Couldn't get these during the pandemic, and now suddenly there's a surplus of them everywhere. Like all the discount stores. Wow, these were quality. The whole pinky's all torn out. Okay, next. So maybe this was the surplus. Oh, I was going to tell you guys. So, do you guys know about Craftsy? Craftsy. I started using them a couple years ago. Like, I took a bunch of sewing classes. I'm still not good at it, but I'm better than I was on Craftsy. And then I became an affiliate for them, and it's on my website. But I hadn't really done much with Craftsy. Like, there was also a cheese making class that I had in there, which I was able to make cottage cheese. So that was pretty cool, but I haven't done it in a while. But I get curious about things, and Craftsy has like this premium membership where you get like all the classes for a year. And they have cooking and sewing and baking and crochet and knitting and like painting, drawing, all this stuff. So they had a special. And I'm going to tell you about it because I am an affiliate, but I hadn't done anything with it. Like, they were just like a sidebar thing on my website. But I'm going to tell you guys about it because they have a special offer going right now. They have a year membership for $3, but it gets better. So if you use like Honey, the discount code coupon Honey, or Capital One's browser on Google where they put in the codes for you, 99 cents for an annual membership. It's $89.99 for a year. It took off $89 with the coupon that they applied. And then it was 99 cents plus tax. So I paid $1.06 for a year membership. I mean, I look at their pressure cooker. So I have a pressure cooker classes. I want to look at different recipes because I know what I do with it is like soup and sometimes a roast, but I know you can bake and I know you can do other stuff. So I wanted to do that. But then I think for summer, for kids, like Victoria is so arty and there's jewelry making and there's stuff like that. So if there's any like classes that you've been wanting to take or wanting to learn to crochet or knit or decorative sewing, all that stuff is up there. Now's the freaking time. I'm going to put a link below to Craftsy because it's like $1.06, y'all. That's what I paid for a year-long membership. And this summer, I'm going to put the app on my iPad for Victoria to do drawing classes or jewelry making or painting. Anything that she really wants to do craft-wise is in Craftsy. So I'm going to share that with you guys. Just because even at the $3, I'd have told you about it. But when it's less than, when it's 99 cents plus tax, yeah, I'm going to tell you guys about it. So I don't think I'll make anything for telling you guys, especially if your membership is like $1. But just remember that it's an annual renewal. It'll automatically renew if you don't cancel it after the year. So I've set a reminder on my phone to cancel it in a year. Just there you go. I'm just putting it out there if you want to use it. Let's get to cleaning. decided to start painting. I had a full can of Beach House Blue. It's this blue-gray. It's gorgeous. And I went, oh yeah, let's paint something blue for once. So I'm going to paint this little piano bench, storage table, whatever you want to call it. It's a piano bench. In Beach House Blue. And then I'll decide if I want to put a grain sack stripe on it. You know, I'm just paralyzed with the indecision over colors and things like that, or what people are going to like. And I know what I'd like, but what I like doesn't always sell. So moving on, we're going to paint. And the legs, I've got my first coat on it. I think I'm going to have some lunch. And maybe get another coat on them before Victoria is to stay late at school. So maybe I can get another coat on before I got to go pick her up. Yeah. I feel like buzzed today for some reason. And here's Beach House Blue. Second coat. It's so pretty. I love the color. Can't wait to see it when it's done. I hate painting legs like this, but I think the 2 coats are going to be enough. I'm going to flip it over and then do the top. And then I think I'm going to spray clear it because I really hate painting these legs. That's starting to look nice. Just so you know, there's brush marks. Everybody calm down. Ooh, the buffet is together and in the shop. It's a little worse for wear. It's got like dog hair all over. I'm going to come in tomorrow and put my tag on it and clean all the dog hair out of it. Jeez, what a mess. Margot, stop shedding. So I'll bring the Swiffer with me tomorrow. And there's the nightstand going in. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.